Hey guys, welcome to Tall Boys Toys. In this video, I'm gonna explain you what are all the things that you have to consider when you're going to buy a used car. For this video, I have my 2013 Ertiga VDI. I'll be explaining it fully. Please watch it till the end. The first step that you need to consider is to identify the budget in which you need a car. It can range between 1 to 2 lakhs, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, or even higher brands. The second thing that you need to consider is your requirement. It depends on the family size and the type of car you need. You might need hatchback or a sedan or a MUV or an SUV. This is an MUV. Third thing is, do not buy a car that is above your expectations, because that will burn your pocket. Assume you have found a car, and I'll show you what all things you have to check before buying a used car, because used car market is the biggest market in terms of frauds. The first thing you have to check is the odometer reading. Come on. This car has clocked 81,154 kilometers. Make sure that car hasn't crossed 1 lakh on the odometer. There are chances of odometer being tampered, but please visit the respective showrooms. Without checking the service history, please don't move on. Engine is the heart of the car. Engine is the most important thing that you have to notice. Check for any leakage around the engine. To make sure engine is in good condition, start the engine and remove the oil dipstick. If you see any droplets of oil jumping out, engine is in a very bad condition and there is a problem in the engine gasket. And through this pipe, if any white smoke comes, engine pistons are gone. You have to replace them. Make sure these two things are in condition. And check for leakage in the battery. If there is battery leakage, battery is down. Remove the oil filler and check. Check if there is any residue on this. If it is sitting on this, there is a serious issue in the engine. This is fine now. Now, this engine is in perfect condition. The next thing is to check if the car has undergone any accident. Come on, I'll show you. This shouldn't have undergone any accidents. Check for any bends in this. It's in perfect condition. The next thing is, check this apron. If this apron is damaged, the car has undergone a big accident. Check the other apron. This is the company sealing. Even this is in good condition. The next thing is, check the bonnet. Check for this sealing. This has been sealed by the company. If there are any damages, it means car has undergone an accident. Let's close this now. It started raining while making the video. It's so beautiful. See? The next thing that you have to check is the interior of the car. Check for wear and tear of the interior and check if all the features of the car are working. Check if all the power windows are working. Check if the mirror controls are working. Check the speedometer. Check if it is showing any warning signs. It is not showing any warning signs except for seat belt and brakes. Check if the AC is working. Check if the heater is working. If the AC is not cooling properly, AC filter would have been blocked, or you may have to refill the AC gas. What do you think about the maintenance of my car? Please comment below. Check if these are in condition. Yes. Check if the lights are working. Check the seat condition. Check all the doors also. If your car has an AC on the back also, please check if all these blowers are working. Thank God, it finally stopped raining and we are able to make the video. Check if all the doors are in sealed condition. And remove this rubber and check for any dents in this. This is sealed by the company. These dots are company sealing. Let's check the next door. Don't forget the boot. The next thing to check is the paint of the car. Check if any of the parts have been repainted. Always check a car in broad daylight. Check if any parts of the car are different from the other. Check if there is any color mismatch. next thing is check the tires. Check how much of thread is left in the tires. Make sure the tire is not flat. Now the tires are dirty due to rain. Check all 4 tires. Mainly the front tires should be in perfect condition. That is because it has to bear the weight of the engine bay. Check the stepney also. The next thing is to check if all the electrical parts of the car are working. Please check if the headlights are working properly. Check all the indicators. The lights are working here. The number plate light is also working. Especially during rainy season, make sure wipers are working. It is very important. Next, check the documents of the car. Check the registration certificate and check if the engine number and the chassis number match. Come, I'll show you. I'll show you where the chassis number is located in the car, and you can cross verify it with the RC. First of all, open the bonnet. And you can see the chassis number over here. Check if that is correct. And make sure you buy a first owner vehicle, because as the number of owners increase, the quality of the car will decrease as more people would have used it. Check if the variant of the car matches with the variant on the RC. This is one of the biggest things in which dealers will fool people. They'll put the top variant badge on the car, and on the RC it will be the basic. Please make sure it is not like that. Please make sure the car has been insured. If the car is not insured, ask the dealer to get it insured, negotiate the price according to that. Always keep the car insured. And the most important thing is to drive and see the car. Let's go for a drive. I'll show you what all you have to check while driving the car. Check if the clutch, brake and accelerator are easy to use. In some cars it will be very hard. Then you might have to change them. Check if the gear shift is normal, if it is smooth. Take a person who knows about cars and ask them to check it. Or if you don't know any people who can check cars properly, take a local mechanic, pay him his fees and ask him to check the car. The first thing you have to do is turn off the music system. Roll down all the windows. This is to listen to what all sounds you can hear while driving the car. Let's go. I can hear suspension noise. This is common in all the Maruti Suzuki cars. After a point of time, suspensions will start making rattling noise. You can hear the engine inside also. Check if the car has been serviced in regular intervals that has been prescribed by the company. please make sure you don't get any sounds while turning the car. Check if the brakes are working properly. Now let's go to a bumpy road. And that's it. Always wear a mask. Stay safe. Maintain social distancing. I didn't wear a mask because my voice won't be clear in this video. And please take COVID health insurance because the number of cases are increasing like anything. For COVID insurance, please dial the number given in the description. See you. Bye.